Hey everyone, in the previous video I have discussed about echo. So in this video I am going to discuss about derivation, a formula for finding out speed of sound to hear an echo. So let us start with, we are standing here and a big building is here. So we send a sound, it will again go and it will strike the surface of the wall and it again come back. So the sound will come, that is called echo. Now next we will calculate the distance of the sound. Let the distance traveled by sound from source to obstacle be d. Then the distance traveled by sound from obstacle to source will be d. Thus, the total distance traveled by sound wave is equals to d plus d, that is equals to 2d. Let the echo time will be small t. Now we have to find the speed. So for formula of speed is total distance travel divided by echo time. So already we have found total distance is equals to 2d and the echo time we have taken small t. So at last the speed is equals to 2d by small t. Hence we conclude that we have found a derivation formula for finding out the speed of a sound to hear an echo. So the speed of the sound will be 2d by t. This is our final derivation formula. I hope you can understand. So thank you for watching.